Hey everyone, welcome to Dubventures. Bruce working night shift tonight. It's a beautiful day in Derbyshire. Me and my best mate are going wild camping. Our first ever solo wild camping. So as you know, the van's not actually ready yet for camping because we're waiting to have our RIB seat fitted and a bolt around the bed area. So what I've done is I've put a temporary bed in there for now. Let's get on the road. So if you're new to the channel, my name's Tom, this is our campervan, and this is Thor. And we've decided, because the weather is beautiful today, we're going wild camping. Where we're going? We're going over to Goit Valley, so let's get on the way. So amazing here. I'm just so glad that, you know, I can get out and about like this. And yes, the van's not ready as we want it to be, but it's ready enough that we can go wild camping. We're actually having a van meet here in a few weeks, so if you are coming to this van meet, the postcode is going to bring you to where we are now. And all you need to do when you get to the postcode is you can either turn left or right, and you're going to turn left and you're just going to follow that road straight up, go past the car parks on the right, you'll come to a one-way system and you'll see where all the vans are there. We're here. Now we've just parked up here, gonna wait a couple of cars here, but I dare say that they'll move and this is gonna be home for the night. You know what guys, I've been waiting so long to do this. First ever solo wild camping. I just love that I can be here with Thor, my best mate, and just taking it all in. So we're going to stay here for one night. It's just gone, it's nearly 6 o'clock in the evening, and all I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna relax, take it easy, just chill out, make some food, and just relax because that's what it's all about. take it off, it goes that way. There we go, that's my seat set up. Some of you might have noticed that I've actually got if you just look there, that's the mat that I had for the VW Transporter that we had. And yeah, I know, Thor, I'm telling them. And I thought that I'd put it in the van and like use it. I think Thor wants his tea, so let's feed him. Come here. You excited? You excited? Excited? Are we wild camping? Are we wild camping? Yeah. Thor's had his food. You enjoy it? That means yeah. Do you know what? Like I said, I'll just show you the view. What I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to watch a little bit of TV. And I know I keep saying it, just to relax, just to take it easy. Do you know what? I can't wait until we've got our RIB seat that's going to be fitted here, and then a bulkhead here, and then I'll be able to like sit down and actually relax. And then when Brooke's with us as well, we'll have a seating area, and then if we want to chill out on the bed as well, can't wait for that. Right, so I'm going to watch some TV, and that brings me on to the sponsor of today's video. So we've been sponsored of Anker Power Station. So this Anker portable power station is a portable power station that can actually be used whilst you're on the go. Now this one is perfect for us when we're doing overnight stays like this, when we're doing wild camping. So this has 2 USB ports, AC outlet, 12 volt car socket, which we are going to be using in a minute. Now I haven't actually used this power station yet, but I'm going to give it a good test tonight, because what I'm going to do is, even though we've got electrics in the van, I'm actually going to power the TV off of this, and I need to charge my phone up as well. The good thing about this Anker power station as well is, look at that. How good is that? It's got a night light attached to it as well. Yes. With all the information on the display there, it's an ideal thing to have. We really do recommend them. If you're interested in one of these, click on the first link in the description and get yourself an Anker power station. So while you're on the go and you want to use, like, you know, a TV, if you don't have any electrics in your van, you can use this to power your devices while you're on the go. Right, I'm going to watch some TV. Right, what I'm doing is I'm just going to move, because I've found the ideal spot where we are, where we're going to park for the night. And here we are. This is home for the night. So this is the view for the night. Right, it's food time. Nice and simple one. I'm just going to make eggs on toast. Enjoying it, Thorny? Yeah? He's having a good time. Right, so I've had food. It's getting quite late now. Still quite light outside, but you know what? I'm loving this. I'm going to sign out for the night. I'm going to see you guys in the morning. I'm just going to relax and chill. And I know I keep saying it over and over, but I'm just loving this. I've wanted to do this for so long. I'm just going to sit down, relax, chill, take it easy. He agrees. So I've had the TV on for a couple of hours now and it's only used about 10% battery power. Happy with that. Morning everyone. Had a peaceful night's sleep. It's quite early, woke up, Thor wanted to come out because he knows where we are. He wanted to get out and about and go for a walk. What a beautiful place to wake up to. You know what, it was just a nice simple stay over. Nothing too exciting, just relaxing. And do you know what, that's what van life's all about. And that's what is needed right now because we've had so much going on. Now that we've moved into the new house, it's just really nice that we can actually get in the van and actually go and do an overnight stay and some wild camping. You having fun there, Thor? That's the first time I've ever done a solo wild camp, and you know what? At first when I thought that I was going to do it, I thought, you know, I'm used to like camping with Brooke, you know, when we go somewhere with Thor as well. But I just thought, I want to do it on my own and just get out there. And you know what, I feel good that I've done it. If any of you guys have got a camper van, because I know a lot of people that have got camper vans that don't really use them that much, get out there, try an overnight stay somewhere. Because there's just something about it, I just feel like, yes. Right, I'm just gonna relax around here for a little bit longer, probably have a quick bite to eat. You know what guys, I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you've enjoyed today's video, and until the next one, bye for now.